Hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to fix these errors in Unity. These are three different versions of this error. One is the bracket, second is the semicolon, and the third is the curly bracket. Without these in your script it will not work. They all have very simple solutions. So open your script by double clicking, and this will lead us to the line of the error, and is this line here. As you can see, we're missing a bracket over here, so just add the bracket like that, and now it's closed off this one, and now that line should work. And the second one, we need a curly bracket down here. As you can see, we've got one at the top here, so we need another one down here, and it needs to line up. And now there should be a line going between them. That means you've done it right. And the last one, on this line we need a semicolon. The error messages should now go unless you have more than one mistake. If this doesn't work, make sure you don't have any throughout your script that is not needed. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe.